there. Thank you for hanging with Glenda. I'm so glad you stopped by. Yes, I'm starting to cook, and you hear my dog down here, and he knows when I'm in the kitchen what's going to take place. Well, I am going to make me some potato salad, and I haven't had that in a while, and I'm only going to make a small amount because it's just me that eats it. And two potatoes will last me 2 days for a potato salad. So I'll put you down here where you can see. I have two potatoes, and I'm going to peel them real quick. If I make mashed potatoes, I like to leave the skin on. I guess you could do it with baked potatoes, with potato salad too, I guess. I guess it would be good. I'll have to try that. I don't know why it wouldn't. Okay, how are y'all doing? We have got the rain. I got up this morning at 4 o'clock. I just couldn't sleep. Got up at 4, and my word, I did not know what that sound was. It was raining so hard I had to go outside and look. That was something. Alright, I get my potatoes and I cut them up pretty small. And I just cut them in half, and then I just cut them in chunks. And I like to put my eggs. Oh, that egg's cracked. I better give me another one. I like to put my eggs and just cook them in with the potatoes. You don't have to use but one pan. Alright, let me get another egg. Although one egg may be enough. But what are y'all having for supper? I haven't fixed this in a long time. I am having barbecue weenies. Y'all ever fix that? I love barbecue weenies. Okay, let me come around here to the stove. And I put, I like to really salt my water. Probably a teaspoon in my water. And then right here, I've got some asparagus cooking. And all I like to do, let me see if I can get y'all over here closer. Let's see, maybe I can do this. I like to get asparagus, and I just like to put it in the iron skillet. I put a little bit of butter, and I just turn it over and over and over. And I like to put a little bit of salt and pepper, just a pinch of pepper. And I'm going to put just a pinch of salt. And then I also like to put garlic pepper. And that's just a taste. I don't know, maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon. And it's just a taste. And then I just toss it around and toss it around. And these were pretty big asparagus. I wish that y'all could smell with these spices and this butter. And I don't like to cook my asparagus until it's mush. I like for it to be just a tad crunch. I mean, they're done. But my goodness, that just puts off the most wonderful flavor. And probably, I'm going to say maybe 8-10 minutes. See, that one there is already just like I like it. I'll taste of it here when it gets done and show y'all. Doesn't that look good? I could eat asparagus every day. And when I get it on sale, I get it, I bring it home, I wash it, I break the ends off, and I freeze it. And I take it straight out of the freezer and just break off however many I want. And as you can tell, it looks just like fresh asparagus. Looks like I just bought it. Alright, I'll let these cook just a few more minutes. See, that one's it's almost there. These little ones, that's perfect. Okay, the asparagus, about 7 minutes is what it took. That's just perfect. All right, that's done, so I'm just gonna set it over there. And now I'm gonna make the barbecue weenies. And I don't slice them real big because barbecue, weenies, when they boil, they really expand. So I don't cut them up too big. I don't know what it is. I know with me, barbecue weenies and potato salad, oh my goodness, to me, that's just wonderful. I mean, I guess that's, for me, is called comfort food, I guess. Let me see, I think I've got y'all a little bit too high. Let's try that one. And I just barely cover them with water. And I let them cook until they get pretty big. And, all right, okay. I just barely cover them with that much water. Let's move y'all back over here. Get y'all down here. There we go. All right, I'm gonna let them cook, and it'll probably take about 10 minutes. Okay, my weenies, they've cooked enough. All right, I'm gonna run over here to the sink and drain them. Okay, I leave about, maybe 3-4 tablespoons of water in here, and just as much barbecue sauce as you like. I like mine to be very barbecuey taste, so I probably put half a cup, maybe a little more. You see how they look? Now, doesn't that look good? Now, at this point, I like to put the lid on it, and I like to let them simmer on low. And my potatoes are done. Let's move over here. Now, all right, I'm going to pour all the water out. All right. I should have got me a bowl, and I didn't do it. Get one right here. All right, let me pull these 2 eggs out of there. All right, now I boiled my potatoes. I mean, a lot of people like chunk potatoes. I like mine mashed. And there's not a thing either way you want to do it. They're good either way. It's just personal preference. All right, now onions. It don't matter how many onions you get, you'll never get too much for me. I love onions. You'll just put them in cold water, bust them up, crack the shell, put them on cold water. They're pretty easy, pretty easy. I always put a little bit of salt in mine, and that makes them easier to crack also, to peel. All right. Well, I tell you what, y'all having a good supper tonight? All right, leave the shell right there. Well, sometimes I just like quick and easy, and this is quick and easy. Okay. Now, sometimes I do pickles. Tonight I'm being lazy, so I'm doing sweet relish. Sometimes I do dill. It's just, and I like quite a bit, so I put 3 tablespoons. And I like mayonnaise. I'm gonna start 1.5 tablespoons, and then I like stone ground mustard. That's just my preference, and I don't like a lot of mustard. I just like that much, and that's all I like. I know some people, they like theirs to be, real mustardy. Nothing wrong with that if that's what you like. And, okay, I go by color, so I am going to put just a tad more. Well, if I can get that open, of mustard. All right, that much. At night, before I go to bed, oh, I love to eat potato salad on a potato chip. I just eat that as a snack. Now, some people, they don't like their potato salad creamy. I do. I like it. I like it fairly creamy. Okay, let's try a bite. That's perfect. And I'm one of these strange people. I like warm potato salad. And I'll be eating supper in about an hour. So I will leave this out over here. Alright, let me move y'all back over here. I've got to clean up as I go. I can't cook in a messy kitchen. Okay. See, look at this. It gets real thick. Oh my goodness, this is so good. I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to let it set. Alright. I'm going to try one of these small ones. Okay. Okay, I'm going to try one of these small ones for you. Y'all, that is so good. With me and asparagus, butter, and a little salt. That's all you need. A little bit of garlic. You can't go wrong with that. Thank you for hanging out with Linda. I enjoyed it so much. Thank you so much. And like and subscribe if you'd like. I'd love for you to. And I'll see you in my next video. And y'all just have a wonderful day.